Ayush medicines are now being placed under the lens of rigorous scientific scrutiny as the government moves to strengthen quality control and patient safety. The Commission for Pharmacies, Indian Medicine and Homoeopathy, functioning under the Ministry of AYUSH, has been designated as the final appellate authority for drug testing of Ayush medicines. This means that whenever questions are raised about the quality, purity or safety of any Ayush medicine, the final scientific verification will be carried out through this system. In a major shift, Ayush medicines are now no longer governed only by traditional belief. Under the Drug Rules 1945, laboratories authorized to test these medicines must now examine identity, purity, quality and strength, bringing them firmly into a regulated framework. Across the country, a vast testing network is now operational. More than 100 authorized laboratories, including upgraded state drug testing labs and specialized regional research institutions, are conducting quality checks on Ayush medicines and raw materials. Equally significant is the expansion of Pharmacovigilance, the monitoring of side effects through a 3-tier national system of centers. Adverse reactions linked to Ayush medicines are now being tracked and analyzed, ensuring that patient safety remains central. With stricter regulations, laboratory-based testing and real-time monitoring of side effects, the government is signaling a clear shift. Ayush is no longer just about tradition, it's about scientific accountability. The focus now is not only on acceptance at home, but on whether Ayush medicines can meet global standards of safety and credibility. And this nationwide lab-driven framework appears to be a decisive step in that direction. We have my colleague Shivang Mathur now joining us on the phone. And Shivang, this is a very important step to solidify the medicinal options that Ayush is able to provide.
Well, absolutely, yes. The government says Ayush drugs are no longer just based on tradition, but are being brought under strict scientific testing and safety surveillance. The government of India has put in place a nationwide laboratory and monitoring framework to ensure the quality and safety of Ayush medicines. And under the Ministry of AYUSH, the PCIMH, which is Pharmacopoeia Commission for Indian Medicine and Homoeopathy, functions the appellate drug testing laboratory for Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani and homeopathy drugs. In simple terms, if the quality of any Ayush medicines is questioned anywhere across the country, the body will carry out a final scientific testing analysis. Ayush medicines are now being tested with a clear legal framework. The government has clearly said that under the Drugs Rules 1945, Rule 160A to 160J, clearly lay down the detailed guidelines on which laboratories are authorized to test the identity, purity, quality and strength of Ayurvedic and Unani drugs.
Right, and more importantly, this is a step not just to bring standardization to Ayush medicine to popularize it in India, but it's also clearly a step that where Ayush medicines can meet global standards and hence be exported.
Absolutely. See, the spending network indicates that Ayush medicines are being firmly integrated into an institutional regulatory system. And beyond quality testing, the government has also activated a system to monitor possible side effects of Ayush. Also, government is trying to, they have signed a MOU last week with World Health Organizations. They are trying to send the Unani and the Ayurvedic medicine across the globe. And before they move forward on this particular issue, they are trying to test each and every medicine in the domestic front so that nobody can question the medicine, the quality of the medicine, and the authenticity and the sanity of the medicines.
Shivang Mathur joining us with the latest on Ayush Ministry's move.